Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95 after another uncharacteristically long break for reasons I would not like to explain. And today we are going to be taking a review of actually 5 diecasts today because they have been sitting in my room. I got actually a bunch that were still sitting in my room from like December, but these ones have been sitting in my room since at least August, so time to do some fall cleanup. We got 5 of the 24-hour endurance race racers, so we're going to be going through all 5 of them in this video alone, because I'm tired of them sitting on my floor and they look too amazing to not all be done in one video. If I get more of them, they'll all have their separate video. So let's start off. The packaging for all of them is the exact same on the front. Nothing has changed. Oh yeah, also my Christopher Bell diecast. Finally got that. Nothing has changed with these. On the back, though, is the only thing that will change, and I will show what cars are there. Like, J.D. McPillar is there, but Rich Mixon and Jackson Storm will change, which is interesting. Anyway, let's get each of these unboxed. What I have currently is Jackson Storm, Chase Racelet, Sheldon Shifter, Lightning McQueen, and Ed Trunken. Now, the day this is coming out, I think is, I want to say the 3rd, so if you're not doing anything at like 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there is the Talladega race, and you can watch that if you really want to. And if this guy keeps driving like he does, he will cause the big one. Anyway, let's get these guys unboxed. So let's get into the review of these guys. Now, I do remember that when these cars did come out, a lot of people were not that hyped up about them. And at first glance, I gave myself, before I went off saying, oh, these sucked, I said, I'm going to have to buy them, and then I'll give my true opinion once I have them, because I didn't want to go off like early and say, oh, these things suck. Like, these things are actually pretty cool. Like, the color shifting paint scheme, it looks better than like originally. Like the McQueen, I don't know what, I think they went orange to red, which actually in the camera you can see, yeah, orange to red. That's not great. Ed Trunken went blue to purple, just like Jackson Storm. Sheldon Shifter, I think brown to gold, which that could be cool. Storm was purple to blue, which that one, if done correctly, is really good. And then Chase, I think, was gray to green, which, like everything else I said, if done correctly, is really cool. Each of these cars do have the 24-hour Raider Springs Endurance Race logo. Now, McQueen is the weirdest case because I don't understand why he doesn't have Rusty's on the hood, and why his body is Cars 2, but he has all the Cars 3 sponsors of the next gens. Which, I mean, I'm not going to complain, because it's always nice to get another Cars 2 Lightning McQueen. It was my favorite for the longest time until the Fabulous one came out. But anyway, these were really cool, and yeah, they're coming out with new ones, and I'm probably going to buy every single one that I ever find, because these things were, my camera will not focus. These things were really, really, really cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry it's been forever. I've had stuff to do. And I will see you guys in the next video.